program here at GMRI, we have been running a workshop series called Trawl to Table for a number of years, and these are workshops we've done all around New England. They bring together everybody involved in the supply chain who's involved in buying and selling seafood. So we have fishermen, distributors and processors, restaurant chefs, retailers, college dining, hall food service, healthcare dining. And we bring all of these people together really for two reasons. One is to give them a chance to network and connect with each other, to learn what the different challenges and opportunities each of them are facing up and down the supply chain related to local seafood. And then the other big reason for Trawl to Table is education. So we do fishing gear demonstrations, we talk about seafood sustainability and fisheries management, we go on processing facility tours, really try and give people the whole breadth of what's going on across the seafood supply chain. And what we see for impacts from these events is that people really walk away inspired to make a change in what they are sourcing from the Gulf of Maine. And we've seen a lot of tangible shifts and people increasing the amount of seafood that they're buying.